Hi, welcome back to Congolese dance tutorials. My name is Brian and you're tuned in right now for a new lesson. It's for the move of yope, yeah? Alright, you ready? Let's get cracking into this move. I'll see you on the other side. Right, to start off the move, you start off with your hands, weirdly enough. It actually starts off with your hands going down. It's not waist, not legs, you have to go down first and then you start the move. Right, so this, after you go down, your arms are not involved anymore. So you start off here, right? And then let me tuck in my shirt, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Congolese people, we've got to tuck in our shirt to really show the moves. Yeah? So I've tucked it in. Ready? So, cool. We start off down here, and what we do is we basically shift our waist from left to right. So instead of rolling it, you're tick-tocking. You know how Jamaicans, they like to tick-tock. That's what we do. We bring the arms down and we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do it without the arms so you can see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's with your arms down and your knees slightly bent. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And while you're doing it, you're just stepping in alternating style. So instead of stepping just once, you're stepping twice. So you're doing like a double step, right? So with your knees bent, arms down, and your hips moving, you step twice on each side. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then you step twice on the right side. 1, 2, 3, right? While you're moving your hips around, you can move to your right, or you can move to your left. I'm more of a lefty. Cece's more of a, I think she's a righty, lefty. You're a lefty. I'm more of a righty then, because I know I go opposite to her. So she will probably move to her left. I move to my right. Whatever is comfortable to you, you move. And then you can just alternate, whatever you want to do. And then you just, no, I'm joking. But yeah, anyways, that's how we do the move, right? Start with arms down, knees bent, tick-tock, or, you know, thrusting from left to right with your hips. So you tick-tock to your right, and tick-tock to your left, and then you just double step. Kind of like this. This is where we start off. And then we move, get the arms in, bend the knees, you see, you're nearly there, and then it's just hip work. That's it, and then you just twirl from left to right. That's it. Right, let's do to some music. Let's get it ready. Let's get it cracking. Let's go.
La force fédératrice de la jeunesse, Patrick Katumbo, Papa Benjamin Wenga.
Right guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all our previous videos. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. If you're returning, make sure you are commenting and liking and subscribing, because why have you not? Are we not giving you good content? So please be no more content bien thing. Please, come on now. I'm trying to support you and you support us. You know what I mean? So with that being said, we've got some plans. We might be doing live lessons here in London. So if you're based here in London, come on down. When we get the dates out, we'll send it straight to you. But thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Eat it. Eat it, eat it.